Over the past several years, Lemus Construction has built more than roofing systems at Commonwydds Medical and Professional Office Park in Jamison, Pennsylvania. We've built a lasting relationship with a property that has continued investing in its future, one building at a time. What began years ago with individual roofing improvements gradually turned into a larger vision. Together, we worked through the office park building by building, typically completing 1 or 2 structures each year. With each phase, the goal stayed the same: create consistency, strengthen protection, and continue elevating the overall appearance of the community businesses call home. Now, Building D represents the final chapter in that journey. Located along York Road in Warwick Township, Commonwydds serves a wide mix of professionals, from medical offices and service providers to growing businesses and entrepreneurs. With activity constantly moving throughout the area, planning around the needs of tenants and visitors remained a priority throughout every phase over the years. For this final building, timing was everything. Led by project manager Paolo, our crews completed the roofing and gutter improvements over the course of a single Saturday. The focus was on keeping operations efficient while making sure the businesses surrounding the building could return on Monday morning without interruption. Throughout the day, crews worked through the full roofing installation, completed fresh gutter upgrades, maintained organized staging areas, and kept the site moving with the same care and attention that has defined our work here from the beginning. As the final touches were being completed, CEO Mario Aguilar stopped on site to see the last phase come together. After years of working throughout the office park, seeing the final building wrapped up carried extra meaning. Building D was more than the next roof. It marked the completion of a long-standing partnership built on trust, consistency, and shared investment in the future of Commonwydds Medical and Professional Office Park. Today, all 9 buildings, from the Jamison Post Office through the surrounding office spaces, stand together with renewed protection, a refreshed appearance, and a consistent look across the entire property.